Hello beautiful people, my name's Kristen. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I have another book subscription box to unbox and I'm excited to see what's in it because I don't know. It's called Coloring and Classics. So this is a box, it's about $16.99 with the shipping and it's monthly. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure you can skip a box or skip a month if you need to. You pick the genre and you can change. So there's fiction and nonfiction and romance and fantasy and all these kind of things, which I will leave in the description box. I get nonfiction because I'm always looking for a good nonfiction that I wouldn't necessarily pick for myself and learn something about. And I'm pretty excited. It's kind of like getting a toy because you also get an activity book, a coloring book, the book of your choice, which is a hardback. And then last time they sent me a lollipop, and y'all, it was really good. I really enjoyed that lollipop. In the first box, you get colored pencils to go with your coloring book, but then you're kind of on your own. So excuse the paper. We're gonna rip it open. Let's see here. The Economist Books Game Query, the non-trivial trivia from the minds at The Economist. So fun fact, I was a business and I was a theater major in college and I love economics. I have Thomas Sowell's textbook on basic economics by my bedstand because I love, so let's see, here's all the different, is this like a quiz? Am I gonna get to, oh, there's like all these different countries. This is gonna be fun, y'all. This is like nerdy fun, right? No, this is totally, this is probably not for everybody, but that's totally cool to me. All right, 50 inventions that shaped the modern economy. Oh, that looks fun too. This is my nonfiction book. Look at that. Tim Harford, the author of the Undercover Economist. This is going to be so, I'm definitely reading that this summer. This is on my summer reading. I've got a ton of books to read, but that one's going to bump a few others further down. And then let's look at the coloring book. Oh wait. Get so excited about a lollipop. Let's see. This one is apple. The last one was lemon. It was delicious. Thank you. Keep sending. If anybody from this company's watching, good job. Keep doing it. These are awesome. They're like Chupa Chups. If you know where I can get those, I'm gonna have to Google them because these are awesome. Okay, back to the coloring book. The Art of Zentangle. 50 inspiring drawings, designs, and ideas for the meditative arts. Oh, I have some friends who are really into these. I've tried. My mind usually doesn't come up with very good stuff, but I'm going to give it another try. So basically, it's like an extended doodle that becomes art. That's pretty much what these are. Love it. And if I don't think I'll get a lot out of it, I can give it to one of those friends because I know they will like it. So you get this book. This is a nice size, big book, right? You get hardcover book of your genre, activity book, and a lollipop for the $16.99 as a surprise. And it shows up and it's awesome. And I am totally doing this subscription. So stay tuned. If you like it, like, subscribe, come along, see what I get next month. I think I'm gonna stick with the nonfiction for a while. I'm really, really enjoying it. So hang tight. Y'all have an awesome, blessed day. If you didn't check out, because you noticed maybe there was something else, I forgot. I was gonna show you. This is the book I got last month. I have not read the nonfiction yet. And I looked through the clouds, and what was fun about the cloud book, I got this cloud activity book about finding shapes in the clouds, and I started not doing the book, but looking for things in the clouds again. So that was totally worth it. So, yeah, so I got this book, coloring book, and I started coloring the front pages. I colored in that. Introduction, didn't do that. Oh, but I did this. So I had a really beautiful time coloring in my new coloring book. And then I kind of went back to my other regular one. This is my coloring book that I have been doing. These I've already done. Those I'd finished in the past. This one I just been working on. I haven't finished it. So, there you go.